say, not be what happen to me, not be you write for paper. And he say, they know. Not be saying, I make them tell me, say, they do everything by themselves. True. Me not sign anything, and they true do everything by themselves. Because they still say, I don't get document. Now I make they do what they do to me that time. Now so everything take go like that. Before they come to say they want carry me go the hospital, they set him again.
And now this one, now they report us say you get mental problem.
Now then later now they come.
They give you.
They come give me mental medicine.
All these people get mental problem.
Thank my God, say I not take anyone. I not take anyone. Then from there they come send many doctors. They come for outside. And where they go put me, where they don't carry me come off for hospital, they set him on they call a letterase. Inside Torino, that is a casa di struttura di sanitario. Struttura di sanitario, they me where all those crazy people dey. Me no there. Now they go put me. Every time that they carry different doctors, they meet me. If the doctors come, they don't ask me any other thing. Now only madam, signora, you dey hate medicine? I say I go ask them. Now because of medicine, now una come. Now that one una come, they ask me. Then from there, you know, say my eye, as they give me that injection that time, I know they see where I can't see the cons, I can't see say some medicine where they give me as I retire and hide. I can't bring I can't see say dog medicine. E dey. Now I can't show one girl where they wash ground for there. I say, I better me look this medicine. Now the girl can say, now dog now they draw put on. So now the girl can say, okay, as it be, now she go help me. I go bring me, she help me take the medicine, go meet doctor for outside. I be no one tell her. I be no pray for her. Later, now can say, now two color. One color, they will light yellow. The other one are white. Then I can see look the other medicine, they give me the consist, they that they try to hide. I can see this medicine sit there inside. And they all this medicine. Then the guy I come give her. As I come give her, now where doctor dey? But that's the night she call me. Because she collect my number that time. Because say, Julie, this medicine you take her, I be no one tell her true. Then later, now say make I just tell her. I say, I know they take her. He say, thank God. He say, you get lucky you to say for some now. And I say, I say, thank you. I say, he said this medicine. He said some don't expire. He said, thank God. Say I know they take her. He said to say I they take her. Say for the shout as dog. They shout
like dog.
Do you understand me? Then from there, all this medicine, with all those papers where I take go do exam. This guy is able. Now he help me find doctor from Rome. I can't carry the paper. Go. Then as I carry the paper, go. Then I go give Dr. Akubu. The Dr. Akubu come examine all the paper. As he don't examine of it, he can't call me. He can't ask me, say, my sister, they eat all this medicine. I been no one still tell her to. Later I say, he said, make I tell her. I said, Uncle, why they ask me? He said, because this medicine. He said, thank God for myself. He said, person for my life. He said, person they take all this medicine. He said, you know, they talk again for this life. He said, because all this medicine, animal medicine, plenty pass inside. All these things they talk, so he does still tell guys able. As in they ask me, guys able, come they call me for life. Now me with a cost they talk. Now that they ask and say, you see everything on my paper? He said, yes.
And Julie, now based on they say you get mental problem, now they give you document. Now that's the right inside your
now they get my document.
They say the motive of giving you this document is because you have a mental problem, and of which you don't get mental problem.
I don't get mental problem.
Now make they hide the
bad
things
where they do.
They write out your document. And now make it difficult for us now to carry you go police station. May we go do a police report. Because if police ask for your document, they go say you didn't
mental problem.
They say you get mental problem.
Yes.
So then go come arrest, we will carry you go there. That's why we carry person we get mental problem come out.
Thank
you understand?
Yes.
So my people, that is the reason up till now we have not been able to make a good police report. Because when you take her out for police report, the police will tell you, why did you bring a mental person out of custody, out of the authority custody? So this is one of the major problems. But thank God, so far so good. I want to, sometime last 2 years, there's a popular radio program called Human Rights Radio.
Yes.
Then it was operating under another radio station,
yes.
Called Brekete Family. And the president of Brekete Family is the person of the ordinary president, Dr. Ahmed Issa,
Yes.
you know. So he was the one that brought your case, you know, to limelight, that brought it to the whole world to see the inhuman and unjust treatment the Italian medical practitioner did to you.
Me.
You understand?
Yes.
So far, so good. What do you have to tell the ordinary president? Because if not for him, nobody would have heard about your case.
At all.
In fact, he did everything possible to make sure he involved the federal government and the Nigerian embassy in Rome. Though we also heard that the Nigerian embassy was once involved,
Yes.
but we don't know how the whole matter went. I also heard that some of the valid documents were taken to the Nigerian embassy, and up to now, nowhere to be found.
No.
We didn't know what happened
All
to
is
the.
missing.
All is missing. Okay. Now the ordinary president have done so well.
Yes.
He has actually helped you, you know, he creates that awareness, and he has told the federal government to see that they do what is needful, you know, to get you out of where you are now. No, so what do you have to tell the ordinary president?
And he also is the one that make information to Honorable Rita Oji, so that.
Okay, Rita Oji is the chairperson of Nigerians in diaspora.
Yes. Okay.
She came to visit you.
She came to visit me at 2016. 2016 March 22.
Okay.
She saw everything.
Okay.
Thank you, mommy. God will bless you. Also with my honorable
Ordinary president.
Honorary president, my president, I praise you, my brother. God will bless you and your family.
Amen.
God, we continue to be a pioneer in you, eh?
Amen. Amen. Amen.
Thank you, my brother.
The last time,
don't forget me, oh, don't leave me alone.
No, the ordinary president is still on your case.
Okay.
Now,
God will bless you.
The last time I visited Abuja, I told the ordinary president that this was the situation, you know, that you were getting smaller and smaller, you were shrinking, you know,
yes.
because of, I think last year you even went to coma. You were in
yes.
coma sometime last year.
Yes, last year, 2017. I go to hospital that they call Kieri. Kieri. From this Eremo Kamadolese, where I am now. Then from here on the 11th of February, but I don't remember the date. It's February. Then I have my leg. This is my left leg swell up. Then from there, my urine, my stomach swell up. I didn't urine again. Then from there, they take me to the hospital. As I reach the hospital, I don't know where I am again. That is where I go to the coma.
That was when you went to coma.
Yes. From that is a hospitality the care. Yes.
Hospital the care.
That is hospital the care. Inside Fori Torino.
Okay, outside Torino.
Outside Torino.
Okay.
But near this
particular
zone, yes, they are working together here.
Okay.
So thank my God now.
So fellow Nigerians, you can see this is our dear sister Julie Idehe. This is what she has been suffering for the past 9 years. You know,
10 years now.
For the past 10 years now. 10 years, right?
10 years.
You know, she's yet to get justice. You know, but we thank God there's somebody that is handling your case now, a Nigeria lawyer, Nigeria lawyer, barrister Hilary Sedu.
Sedu, yes.
He's the one handling your case at the moment.
Yes, he's the one handling my case now. He is in Napoli. He's a Nigerian man. So he's the one take over in the case now.
Okay, all right.
God will bless him for me.
Amen, amen. So, my ordinary president, so this is our dear sister Julie. I want to join to thank you for what you have done so far and for bringing Sister Julie's case to the world to see what the Italian medical, not all of them, you know, some are good, you understand. Some few of the medical practitioners that are practicing here in Torino, what they did to our sister Julie, they stole her kidney and also stole her bone marrow, you know. So we are still pleading that our ordinary president should please do not relent in your effort to continue to assist our dear sister so that she will get justice by the special grace of God. Amen. So, Sister Julie.
And for now, I know they feel my urine. Now that injection will kill my leg. Now they take kill everything. And I know they feel shit like that. If I want shit now, now this hand glove. This hand glove, now they put for my hand like this. And this hand glove, now they put for my hand. Then now they put my finger, now they put for inside my nyash till they bring the shit come out.
Because you cannot force yourself anymore.
I don't even feel
you don't feel anything anymore.
Feel anything. And so I take day since 2009 till now. Even as I still there here, not be good treatment, they still they give me.
Okay.
Even I think you see, and I see the carton of the hand glove that they give me. Where they call all this one saying a support or help. Now they help me. So now I still make I show you my people. So okay. When they go hospital, make una they take time beg. I take go beg una.
All right.
Not they live una self like that too. These people they after money. They not they after anybody life. Even 2016. When I go hospital again, they call Maria Victoria. When I go Maria Victoria, now there, I don't know say they know me for there. Say this my matter. Say they phone themselves like that, because any hospital they want carry me go. Now phone they call. Now today they contact themselves.
They monitor your movement. They trace you. So that they will tell the other hospitals. See how they'll take attention to you.
Okay. So now they do since then. As I reach there, let us say October 11th, 2016. I don't reach that kind 7 years, almost 7 years plus. As I got there on top of the bed, I just see say the woman enter my room. He just come they open this place. I see the opener. He say my leg they swell up. Now I say my leg no they swell up. I don't look at eye well. Later, now she come on top of my bed like this. He said that me recognize.
That's whether you know her.
I don't look and say yes. You recognize them. I say, to say Dr. Rolina.
You are Dr.
Rolina. I say, you they work for St. Giovanni Bosco.
Okay.
Later, now she come to me and say, because she dey speak English. I know you are hungry. Before I answer and say, I'm hungry because of what people do to me, she don't know.
Because she did among the people.